It was just out of this world.
In my point of view, money can't buy experience.
Signori, buonasera.
Buonasera.
Nice to meet you. I'm Salvo, the chef de cuisine of Ronda Locatelli. But unfortunately, there is a small problem. This one actually is not your right table. Actually, your table is in Umbria, in Italy. Atlantis will take you away to Italy.
What do you mean Italy?
All expenses inclusive.
Are you serious? Are you serious?
Of course, I'm really serious. The great surprise is also that Chef Giorgio Locatelli will cook a dinner for you.
Oh
I hope
my
you will.
God! Giorgio Locatelli himself, like what? Really?
Yes.
It's difficult to believe.
No, you can believe it. It's 100%. It's 100% true.
Can I give my piece to him? My husband, Carlo.
Yes, it's okay.
Je peux te parler 2 secondes? Et on a gagné le voyage en Italie. Oui?
Yes, you are the lucky winner.
Thank you so much.
So guys, we arrived at Truffle Riserva. It's a place where to find some truffle. You know, let's see if we will be lucky today. So actually this one is the area where found the truffle for us. In Ronda, we work is only the fresh truffle and the best brother. For this one, really again.
Hello. Hello.
Oh, welcome. Come and have a look at what I got here for you.
Ah, that's the best view, I think.
My name is Giorgio Locatelli and we are here today in San Pietro Alberti, in the smallest region of Italy, great producer of all the most amazing things that you're going to eat today. So should we go for some lunch?
Yes.
Come, follow me. I'm going to cook you some really nice food with a lot of the veggies that we picked up, the truffle that we've got. I think Italian cooking that comes from the land like that. It's about simplicity, it's about flavors that they are true to themselves. Exceptional. That really strong mushroom flavor. I mean, the flavor in Ronda is based on the fact that we get in these absolutely fantastic ingredients and we just bring them in. Eating at Ronda is like eating a piece of Italy. It's very difficult to give a recipe. Just go with your heart, and obviously we do import the parsley from Italy. It makes a difference. Combination between the oil, the eggs and the truffle, it should deliver the punch. That's the tagliolini that we made this morning with the white truffle that you've hunted. This is the same beef that we serve in Ronda Locatelli. Please enjoy.
It's so tasty, huh?
Very delicate.
It's bringing Italy to Dubai.
Really wonderful, because we didn't expect to do this kind of a trip.
Brought us so much together and we enjoyed every minute. It was a family.
It was amazing to discover a new world.
Of course, we're super grateful to Atlantis for making this a once-in-a-lifetime experience.
I think I will be forever grateful for this experience, something I will really never forget.